Hello, my name is Ashley Walls. I am 22 years old. I am a student at UTSA, and I'm originally from Seabrook, Texas. I come from a family of 5. I have an older brother, a younger sister, my parents have 2 dogs, and I recently just got another dog myself. Her name is Bailey. In December of 2019, I will graduate UTSA with a degree in interdisciplinary studies with a concentration and a certification in elementary education grades kinder through 6 generalist. I cannot put into words how ecstatic I am to work with this community, staff, and your children throughout my last memories, experiences, and semester of college prior to becoming an educator. Some words people might use to describe me as a person would be passionate, caring, a giver, hardworking, determined, goal-driven, independent, humble, selfless, and a team player. Because I have always had a passion and love and a special place in my heart for kids, it has led me to discover what my passion really was, and that is to teach. From being a part of a program in high school where me and 10 other high school students were in charge of teaching a preschool class full of 22 students ages ranging from 3 to 5, to volunteer coaching, to babysitting, to giving swim lessons, or even private lessons for cheer, I've come to realize that having a career that allows me to impact, form, and shape the minds of our future leaders is exactly where I was called to be. Although there have been many different experiences that I have encountered throughout my life, I am not able to pinpoint one certain experience that has led to the development of who I am today as a woman. But I'm confident that there are certain events that I have encountered throughout my life that have most definitely impacted and influenced the beliefs and type of teaching practices that I plan to carry out as an educator, along with giving me the inspiration to pursue such a rewarding occupation. One of those being my 19-year-long cheerleading career. I am thankful and blessed for every single opportunity and lifelong lesson that this sport has provided me with. And despite the challenges, obstacles, and tribulations that have come with this journey, it has ultimately allowed me to live out my childhood dream of cheering at the D1 collegiate level on a scholarship. With the high level of community involvement that comes with being a D1 collegiate athlete, I can honestly say that it has been one of the most inspiring and influencing aspects when it comes to me continuously pursuing my degree in education. With being diagnosed with severe ADHD in 3rd grade, I always knew that I wanted to teach as a way to give back into the response that I had received to having such good elementary school teachers and teachers that have really impacted and allowed me to be successful on my educational career. Some other events that have really impacted my decision to continue to pursue a degree in education have been things such as having a godson, being a peer mentor to 50 incoming freshman students or transfers every semester at UTSA, and the pure and authentic joy that it brings me to help my mother, who is a teacher, and her students in the classroom as much as I can during my free time. All of these events have played key and vital roles into allowing me to develop into the successful and effective educator that I've always aspired to become, and it has made me realize that no money in the world amounts to the priceless feeling of seeing children flourish, grow, and develop into beneficial assets of our society. My hope is that this semester will allow me to use my expertise with your children to provide the necessary resources and skill sets for the students to be able to increase their knowledge academically while simultaneously giving them the opportunity to fulfill self-discovery. I am a strong advocate for learning by doing, group collaboration, and hands-on, actively engaged activities for the students to be able to learn. By the end of this semester, I hope that your children will be able to acknowledge that wisdom is more than just information, that the world cannot be chopped up into multiple choice questions, and that you cannot bubble in the truth with a number 2 pencil. I am so excited to get this school year started.